guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making the salted duck egg stir-fry bamboo shoot. And as usual, I'm not only gonna teach you this amazing recipe that we call it the golden sand dishes, I'm also gonna share with you what exactly is salted egg and why do we only see duck salted egg but not salted chicken egg in the market. Check it out. Hi new friends, this is Erica right here. I'm a Taiwanese citizen currently living in America. Cooking and traveling is my passion, so I'm here to share with you my favorite Asian recipes. On top of that, I also make videos talking about food knowledge and the history background of the dish on this channel. So if that interests you, please subscribe and keep watching. So what exactly is a salted egg? Have you seen a salted egg before? It looked like this. I know it looks a little weird, but trust me, if you give it a try, you'll definitely fall in love with this. A salted egg is an Asian preserved food product made by soaking eggs in brine, or packing each egg in damp, salted charcoal. It is normally made with the duck egg, but it can also be made with chicken eggs and other type of eggs. But the taste and the texture will be somewhat different, and the egg yolk will not be as rich as the duck product. Besides that, the main reason why we're seeing salted duck egg way more often than the salted chicken egg, it is simply because compared to the chicken egg, duck egg have a stronger eggy smell. Some people can't accept the strong flavor that duck eggs provide just by stir-frying or boiling, but salting a duck egg can change its eggy smell into a salted, charming aroma. Which is why a lot of people back home can't accept a duck omelet, but they still love the golden sand dishes. And another reason is back in the day, chicken eggs already have a big market sell, but duck egg not really. So the business owner of the duck farm will keep trying new ways to introduce their products into the market. So that's kind of why the salted duck egg become the representative of all salted egg. The salted duck egg was sometimes been sold covered with a thick layer of the salted charcoal paste. Or most likely it will have the paste removed and sealed in a plastic bag like this. Salted eggs are also a great garnish for congee or using it as a replacement of salt in some dishes. And today we're using this salted duck egg to make a very famous Sichuan dish, the golden sand stir-fry bamboo shoot. This is one of my favorite ways to use the salted duck egg. So without further ado, let's take a look at our ingredient today, shall we? Here's our ingredient that we'll need for today's recipe. First, we'll need 200 grams or 250 grams of bamboo shoot. Depends on season, sometimes you can find the fresh bamboo shoot in the Asian supermarket, but right now it's not the season so they don't have it, but I bought the vacuum sealed pre-boiled bamboo shoot. And besides that, we'll also need some chili if you want it to be spicy, some scallions, some minced garlic, and obviously our salted egg. There's two types of salted egg. You can get it in the Asian supermarket, either the boiled one like this, or you can find the half-boiled ones, which the egg yolk will be a little liquidy. But either that or this will work. And for the seasoning, it's very simple. We just need some sesame oil, some sake, and brown sugar. And as usual, the exact amount of the ingredients will be listed in the description box down below. The first thing we need to do today is separate the egg yolk and white in different bowls. Cut open the egg with its shelf on and use the back of a spoon to scoop out the egg yolk and put it into a bowl. And use the front of the spoon to smush the egg into paste. Now with the egg white, use the spoon to scoop out the whites and put it on the cutting board. Then cut the egg white into small, tiny dices. Next, cut your boiled bamboo shoots into bite size and we're ready to cook. For this dish, you need to prepare a frying pan or a wok. Heat up your wok and add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Wait till the oil is hot, add in your smushed salted egg yolk and mix it well with the olive oil. This process will turn the dry egg yolk into a sticky paste so that later when we add in our bamboo shoot, the egg yolk could be stick on the bamboo. The texture of this yellow sticky paste sticking on the bamboo shoot, this is the reason why we call it the golden sand dish. Make sure every little bit of yolk is combined with the oil and stir fry until it starts bubbling like this, and we'll add in a little bit more liquid to turn the sand into a paste using sake. Sake is a sweet rice wine that first it can remove the eggy smell of the duck egg, and second it can provide a little sweetness into the dish to balance out the salted egg. Stir in the sake well and then add in minced garlic and your bamboo dices. Keep stir frying to make sure all the ingredients are well mixed and start sticking on the bamboo. This dish you'll have to make sure your pan is not stick or else it will get burned very easily. Before it gets too dry, let's add in our diced egg white. Gently stir in the egg white with the bamboo shoot and add in some chili rings if you like some heat. Now when that's done, we'll add in some brown sugar evenly on the bamboo shoot and stir fry them in. You can also skip this part if you don't want sugar in it, or you can also use cane sugar if you don't have brown sugar. Now stir fry them real quick and finish up the dish with some scallion and few drops of sesame oil. Mix, 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 and done! The salted egg stir-fry bamboo shoot, aka the golden sand bamboo shoot, is ready. Wow, look at this color. Doesn't it kind of look like liquid gold on food? A well-made golden sand bamboo shoot, you will not see the egg yolk chunk, but only yellow paste on the bamboo and egg white dice. The chili and scallion give it some extra color and flavoring. The savory, sandy texture coating on top of the tender and sweet bamboo shoot, the flavor is balanced yet addictive. This dish is perfect to eat on top of rice, and it takes less than 10 minutes to get it on your dinner table. Now, while we're enjoying this amazing salted egg bamboo shoot, let's learn how to say it in Chinese. The word of the day today is 金沙竹笋, the golden sand stir-fry bamboo shoot. And as we mentioned earlier, the golden sand is just a fancier way to say the salted egg. The first character 金 means gold, and the second character 沙 means sand. And the last two characters, 竹笋, means bamboo shoot. So golden sand bamboo shoot, aka salted egg bamboo shoot, is 金沙竹笋. Thank you for cooking with me today. Let me know if you like this recipe by giving this video a thumbs up. It's only gonna take you a second, but it means a lot to me. I make video on YouTube every Thursday, so remember to hit that bell and you'll never miss out. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next Thursday. Bye!